Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to build Java project using Maven in Gitlab CSV. So let's go. So see here in this video we will cover some contents like what is Maven project. After that how to install Gitlab runner on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Then how to register Gitlab runner. After that, how to install OpenJDK and Maven on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS using apt command. This is in GitLab runner instance. Okay. After that, we will see how to create demo Maven project. And after that, we will see our main aim is build Java project using Maven in GitLab runner, the GitLab CSS. Okay, after that we will check the jar file. Jar is created for the Maven project in GitLab runner. So let's start this all these points we will see step by step. Okay, so first point is what is Maven project. Maven is a widely used build automation and project management tool for Java based project. It simplifies process of building, testing, managing Java applications by providing a standardized way to handle project dependency, compile source code, run test, and package application. Okay, so see here step one. For step one, it is how to install GitLab Runner on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Okay, so for that, let me open this Firefox browser. And here I have already created an instance on AWS cloud. Okay, it's a GitLab Java cloud, and I connect to the HSS using public IP address. This is my terminal. Okay, now I want to add the official repository, GitLab repository. Okay, this command, let me copy this and paste in our terminal. This command using this curl command only add GitLab repository is set up now. Okay, now we can install another packages. So see here, install GitLab runner on Ubuntu. Let me copy this command for the install GitLab runner. So test here, and this is installing GitLab runner on Ubuntu. So it's take couple of minutes. Okay, it's installing properly or not. We can check using the sudo gitlab runner hyphen version. We can check version of that gitlab runner. Okay, and using this command we can check the this gitlab runner install or not properly. Okay, so now run this command and see here version of that command, it's 16.2.1. It's a latest version, means it's installed properly. Okay, now we can check the status for that using sudo gitlab runner status, and our gitlab runner service is running now. Okay, if you have to stop this service, then using the GitLab sudo GitLab runner stop, using this command you can stop this service. Okay, now next step is we can see that how to register GitLab runner using the sudo GitLab runner register. This using this command we can register the GitLab runner. So sudo GitLab runner register, enter, and system asks us enter the GitLab instance URL. So which URL? gitlab.com. Okay, so here paste here, and after that enter the registration token. For that token, let me open the GitLab account. You have, if you don't log in gitlab.com, sorry, then firstly you have to log in and go inside the project which you have to register GitLab runner. Okay, so here build Java Maven project GitLab CI. In this project I will register GitLab runner. Okay, after that you have to go settings. In that setting, go inside the CI/CD. Go inside the runner and expand it. And here in the three dots, click on this. And from this, here we can copy the registration token. Copy it and paste in our terminal. Then after that, enter the description for runner. So I will type a description for this is Java Maven project runner on GitLab. Here, enter. Then here, enter the tag name. I will use here two tag name, Maven and Ubuntu. Enter, and here optional maintenance node, skip add step, and after that executor use shell executor. Then our configuration file is config.tom. Okay, then you have to go our GitLab account, and firstly we have to refresh this page, and you can see here register runner is registered on me. Okay, so go inside the runner, and you can see here this runner Agile project runner. Okay, means our runner is successfully registered. Okay, after that next step is you have to install the Java and Maven on your GitLab instance. Okay, so firstly you have to update the all the system package using the sudo apt update command. Let me copy this command and paste here. Okay, after that you have to install Java on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let me copy this and paste here. You want to continue? Yes. Okay, now Java version is successfully or installed or not properly, then we can check the using Java space hyphen version. Using this command, we can check the Java version. So this is a 17.0.8. It's a Java version. Okay. Now we have to install the Maven. Okay. So using sudo apt install Maven. So let me copy this command and paste in our terminal. Run. Yes. Now we can check the version of that Maven using Maven space hyphen version. So see here, this is the version of Maven is 3.6.3 and our Java version is 17.0.8. Okay. Now next step is how to create demo Maven project. So see here, firstly we can see using the ls command inside the directory. Here no directory present inside this Ubuntu. Okay. So now we have to create a Maven project using this Maven archetype. Okay. Using this command, we can create a demo project. So let me copy this command and paste. Okay. Now it's build success and you can see inside this instance here. This is a my app. Okay. Inside the my app, you can go inside the my app using cd my app. Okay. And see here in that folder here form and src. Okay. If you are go inside the src folder and you can see here main and test folder. Okay. Inside this main test folder you can see the in the program of the java program. Okay. Like that. Here means our java project or our demo maven project is created here. Okay. So go outside this and after that you can clone the our repository using this git clone and paste the here http clone of your git repository. Okay. So for that you have to go project and here clone, click on this and copy this clone with http. Okay. And here you have to use command as git clone and paste the url, enter, and this repository we are clone inside this Ubuntu. Okay. So if you have to see here, build Java Maven project. Earlier only app. Okay. After the git clone, here see our Java Maven project. Gitlab here. This is our name of that project. Okay. Name of that project. Here see. If you go inside that cd build Java Maven project Gitlab here and check the directory here. Here no directory present here. Okay. So go outside that and go inside the my app. Okay. Go inside the my app and here we have to all the Maven project which were we created inside the Ubuntu. This we have to move or copy to the and paste in the this Java Maven project GitLab here. So what we have to do now? We have to do this sudo cp hyphen r home Ubuntu and name of the project. So let's copy this and paste here. And our name of the project is what? It's not a Maven project. It's a build Java Maven project. Okay. So use build Java Maven project. And what is meaning of that command? So see here, it's a cp sudo, it's a super user, okay, and cp means what? This command is copy, and hyphen r is means to copy directory and their content, okay, means what? In that my app folder, which where have copy the content of that folder, okay, and after that dot slash star means represents the current directory. Which current directory? My app, okay. After that, this is the path of that our folder, okay, path of that folder. Here we have to target the directory where we are content of the current directory will be copied, okay. So run this command and go outside the my app, and again you have to go inside the build Java Maven project, and you can see now form.xml src, okay, but you cannot see here because we are not put in our to we are not this content in that the uh, build Java Maven project, this content we are not push the our Git repository. You can see here, if I refresh the page and see here no files present here because we have to not push, okay. For that, firstly we have to git add dot enter. Now we have to commit the all the files, okay, this file, okay. So git commit hyphen m and give here note for that. So this is a Maven project post, okay, enter. Now you have to push the code, okay. So using the git push origin and in which branch? Main branch, okay, main, enter. And system asks us username for that GitLab. So I will type my username deops and password for that. Okay. Now it will push the code on our repository. Okay. So see here, go inside the repository and refresh the page, and you can see the all the folder which is present in the this Java Maven project on the this Ubuntu. Okay. So here src form for. Okay. After that, next step is build Java project using Maven. Means it's the aim of the project, okay. So for that we have to create a YAML file, gitlab-ci.yaml file, and copy this code, okay. So firstly we have to go and for create a YAML file, for that go section inside the section of the code and go inside the repository. After that click on this new file and give the name of the file. Your name dot gitlab -ci. After that, we have to copy this code. Let me copy this and paste in our this text box. Okay, paste here. And here this code is represent is stages and job. Okay, in that stages here we mention the build. Okay, only one stage, and build Java project. It's a job name for that. And under this job we mention the state is build and script Maven package. So let's commit the changes and we can see the pipeline for that job. Okay, so let's check. For that we have to go inside the build section and pipeline. After that, click on this job or pipeline. Now here we have to stuck this job. Okay, so if you are going inside the Java project and you can see here this job is stuck because project does not have any runner online assigned to it. Okay, so for that we have to go project CI setting, or simply you can go inside the setting and CI setting. Okay, both are setting. Go inside the CI settings and go in the runner, and in that runner you have to click on this edit and simply you have to this uncheck box we have to check, because run unpacked job indicates the whether this runner can pick up jobs without the tag, because of that this pipeline is your stuck. Okay, save the changes and again you have to go pipeline and you can see now your job. So here this is running now. Click on this and you can see the all the details or output of the job, and your job is built success. Okay, job is successful. So here your jar file is saved in that part. Okay, in that part. If you have to see in your terminal this jar file, if you have to see in that terminal, so for that go outside this folder and after that using ls command you can see this map. Okay, firstly you have to go root of the project, go inside the cd home, cd home, and now you can see ls and you have to go inside the gitlab run. Okay, using the cd gitlab runner, it's permission denied because we don't go inside the root of the, that's why we have to use here sudo root. Okay, now you can go now inside the gitlab runner. Okay, cd gitlab runner here. Okay, now you have to go in firstly we have to check the directory which is present in the gitlab runner. So here builds and go inside the builds. Now check the directory inside the builds. So here this directory present HHEWCM-D. So go inside that. Okay, it's a capital H CD capital H. Okay. Now we can see under that folder we can see the directory 0. Okay, go 0, enter. Again using ls command we can see directory under this 0, this DevOps Kubernetes. Okay, go inside that. Again see the directory under that. Now it's a build Java Maven project. Okay, go inside that build Java Maven project and see again directory and see this is the target. Okay, so go inside that target folder. What happened? My system is hang now, that's why. So let's wait. Okay, now it's okay. go inside that target folder, and again you can see directory which is present inside the target folder. And see here, this is a jar file of that Maven project. Okay, inside the GitLab runner. So my app, this is a snapshot. It's a .jar. So all the steps are and all the contents of that in of the this video we will cover here. Okay. So today's session we will learn how to build Java project using Maven in GitLab CI/CD. So thank you for the watching video.